Welcome to the project demo video session. Myself Arun Kumar from Panimalar Engineering College, Computer Science Department. I am going to present you the IBM project Global Sales Data Analytics. The agenda of this session is downloading the dataset, uploading the dataset, preparing the data, exploring the dataset, and creating dashboard, report, and the story. The Global Sales Data Analytics. Shopping online is currently the need of hour. Because of this COVID, it is not easy to walk in a store randomly and buy anything you want. So try to understand few things like customer analysis, product analysis, and global superstore. This is our problem statement. First, we should download our dataset in the Kaggle website. It is an open source network for downloading the web dataset. We download our global sales dataset in this website, and we use IBM Cognos data analytics tool for doing our project. This is used to do analysis of our data that we collected from the Kaggle. This IBM Cognos has 4 parts, which is upload, prepare the data, exploration, and dashboard. First, we need to upload the data in the upload data icon. By this, we can upload our data. After uploading the data, we need to prepare the data using the prepare icon. In this prepare data, we should select the data that we have uploaded, and we can clean our data, and we can identify the relationships of the data between the tables, and we can make the data what we need and organize it as we need it. This is the prepared data. In the prepared data, we need to upload the data set that we have uploaded, and we created day, month, year, and we removed the nulls in the postal code and organized the data. The relationship of the data is a single RDBMS. After preparing the data, we should explore the data. In exploration tab, we should select the dataset that we have prepared. In the exploration, we can select the metrics, and we can see the needed visualization of the exploration of the sales what we are going to do. After exploring the data of the metrics, we can create the dashboard using the needed data that we have. To create a dashboard, go to home page, click present data, dashboard. I have already created the dashboard for our project. First, we created a bar chart for the sales profit and quantity by segment, and next I use pie chart for the differentiate the sales by the market segments. In the visualization, we can see the needed data Next, I used a remap and a bar chart to differentiate the sales by region and sales by subcategory. Next, I used map points to see the country-wise sales using the color regions. Next, I used the line and column chart to differentiate the profit and sales by subcategory, where the columns of the subcategories and the sales and profit are differentiated using the bars and points. Next, we used the scatter chart and we can filter using the regions. Next, this is a line chart. Next, we forecasted the sales by using the order priority and the order month. This is a forecasted value. We can filter the forecast by the priority. Next, we use the segment key chart for subcategory of sales. We created a bullet chart for the sales and ship mode. We use the sales versus profit country wise, where these colored or the sales and the color and the coloration of the monochromatic violet shows the profit. And we use the radar chart, which is used to colored by the segment, and the values are given by the regions. And we use the word cloud. This is a country-wise sales, where the high font size shows that there is a high number of sales. This is a word cloud representation. And finally, we created a dashboard. This is the dynamic dashboard where we can see the sales, profit, and quantity. I use the subcategory, where we can see click the subcategory for the copiers, and the sales, profit, quantity, and the discounts will be updated. Now we can see the updated for the bookcases. Same like for binders, if I click, it is a dynamic dashboard. It's updating. Next, we created a report in the home present data report. Create. I've already created a report. This is our report, where I sales by market using the stacked bar chart, and I created a tree map using a sales by region and a donut chart by sales by quantity. Sales by country is represented by map chart, and a dot chart and a bubble chart are used for the differentiation of sales versus quantity, sales versus profit, and the representation of sales is shown in different visualizations. Next, we created a story. This is our story. Global Sales Data Analytics. We visualize the charts in the form of a PPT presentation. This is very useful for the presenting the data. Sales by market. This is how we presented the data. Now we can see the sales by year. Sales by year we colored using the color segment, where it is differentiated by the segments. If we click the particular data, we can see the needed informations about that particular 2011. It's a corporate segment colored by segment. If I click the blue here, it will be differentiating. So it is easy for us to differentiate the visualizations and find the pros and cons of the sales. The second visualization is ship mode. The color representation shows the number of profit that is achieved. The dark color shows the high profit and the light color shows it is a less profited year. The sales sum is shown on the y-axis and the ship mode segments are shown in the x-axis. Sales by segment using the pie chart. Sales, the representation of the percentage is given for the home, consumers and corporate. Sales by country. As we see that number of sales and the profit wise coloration is done. Sales forecast. The upcoming forecast for the month is predicted using the forecasting tool. Using the value sales and profit. Sales by word cloud. We use the sales by word cloud and we colored it with the regions so that the number of regions for the sales is represented with the high number of sales of the regions are shown and depicted here. Sales by market using the donut chart. Sales by market using the donut chart is represented and the total number of sales is pictured inside the donut and the percentage of the market differentiations are given, and if we pick the market we can see the number of percent and which market has more quantity of sales. Thank you for this opportunity for giving me this presentation.